A song by C.C.R. Wow. Creedence Clearwater Revival. John Fogerty's old group. The song is called Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Someone told me long ago, just calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so to say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, sitting down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before. Sun is cold and rain is hard, I know. Been that way for a long time. Till forever on it goes. Through the circle fast and slow, I know. It can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah!